Join me as I dive into the world of IT and try to explain exactly what a system administrator does in just 60 seconds. A system administrator, or sysadmin, is the unsung hero of the IT world. They're the ones responsible for maintaining the IT infrastructure, making sure everything runs smoothly, and ensuring that all systems are up and running 24/7. Cybersecurity threats are a constant concern for system administrators. Hackers are always trying to find new ways to infiltrate systems, steal data, and wreak havoc. Sysadmins have to stay one step ahead, implementing security measures, monitoring for suspicious activity, and responding quickly to any potential threats. System outages can be catastrophic, causing downtime, lost productivity, and revenue. System administrators have to troubleshoot the issue, identify the root cause, and get everything back online as quickly as possible. It's a high-pressure job that requires patience, attention to detail, and strong problem-solving skills. In addition to these critical tasks, system administrators are also responsible for ensuring that all systems are up to date with the latest software and security patches. This can be a massive undertaking, especially in large organizations with thousands of devices and applications. It's a never-ending task that requires careful planning, coordination, and execution. System administrators also have to deal with the daily grind of user support, network management, and system configuration. They're the ones who set up new employee accounts, troubleshoot printer issues, and configure firewalls. They're the IT department's Swiss Army knife, able to tackle a wide range of tasks with ease. System administrators need to have a broad range of skills, from technical expertise in areas like networking and scripting, to soft skills like communication, teamwork, and time management. They have to be able to work independently, making decisions quickly and confidently, while also being able to collaborate with others to solve complex problems. One system administrator I know was instrumental in preventing a major disaster at a large hospital. A critical system was on the brink of failure, putting patient care at risk. This sysadmin worked tirelessly, troubleshooting the issue, coordinating with vendors, and implementing a solution. Thanks to their quick thinking and expertise, the system was back online in no time, and the hospital was able to continue its life-saving work. In today's technology-driven world, system administrators are the unsung heroes behind the scenes, keeping our systems running, our data safe, and our lives connected. Thanks for watching. If you've had a great experience with a system administrator, or if you are one yourself, share your story in the comments below.